Hey, how's everyone doing today? I'm Rick with Bug Busters, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the glue board that you've received. So you would receive something very similar to this glue board here, and with this you can use it for a couple different ways. You can place this around your home and just see what kind of activity you have going on. I've already got one that's been placed here for a few days so we can take a look at, but when you get it, it has this double-sided backer. You can pull this off, then you're actually going to see the glue board itself. It's very safe for your pets. As long as it's out of place. If you place this in the middle of the floor, your pets can definitely get on this and it can hurt them, pulling their hair out, so you don't want to do that. So make sure you're placing this in an area where they cannot get to it. You can place this flat behind any surface. You can place it on your countertop, just like so. Leave it just like that. It's very sticky, so you really don't want to do that. There's some perforated edges on the back, and you can fold this into a tunnel. As long as you're following the lines, you can fold it really quick. Been doing this for years, so I'm pretty quick at doing that. So it folds up just like so. And I can place this right behind my toaster. Out of sight, out of mind. Guests don't see it, but it's a good way to see what kind of activity you've got going on. With that same thing, you can place it behind a fridge. Just take it, slide it in, and you can leave it there. So I do have a glue board here that we've had for a few days out, and I left this one just flat because it was out of sight. And as you can see, we have a cricket on here, a couple other critters. So it's very successful at catching some of those household bugs, so you can see what's going on in your house. Again, this is Rick with Bug Busters. We are who you're going to call.